AI in everyday life. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech wizards, it's for everyone. Imagine you have a personal assistant that learns your preferences over time, helping you sort emails, schedule appointments, or even plan meals. That's the power of AI in your daily life. So, how do you, as a user, fit in? Right in the heart of it. The modern world needs more AI savvy individuals. Individuals who can spot problems and harness AI's power to solve them. You don't need to be a programmer or a data scientist. You can just start using AI tools. Many platforms today allow you to integrate AI into your daily workflow. The key is understanding how to use AI tools effectively. So, in the coming lesson, we will dive into four AI tools that will revolutionize the way you work and think. These tools are designed to simplify complex tasks, enhance your decision making, and open up new opportunities you never thought possible. So, are you ready?